Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Syed Ali. Today we have some algebraic equations and we will learn how to solve algebraic equations. Algebraic equation means that we have some variable like x, y, z, k or any alphabet, and we have to see that what the value of that alphabet or variable. So in the first question, you have x minus 8 is equals to 14. So you need to find out value of x. So the first step you need to remember is that we have to isolate x. So we have to keep on the left side x, and I have to shift this because I need to isolate x. If I need to isolate x, what should I do with minus 8 to get rid of minus 8? So you know that opposite action of minus 8 is plus 8. If you do something at the left hand side of the equation, you have to do the same thing on the right hand of the equation. So you do plus 8 here to cancel out the effect of minus 8. So to isolate x, but you have to do the same plus 8 on the other side of the equation so that equation does not change. Hope you understand it. One more time, I will repeat. So minus 8, I have to isolate x. So I have to remove minus 8. How can I remove minus 8? By plus 8. So it is gone. But what I do at the left side of the equation, I have to do the same at the right side of the equation. So plus 8 here, plus 8 here. This plus 8 and minus 8 get cancelled, and I have my x isolated, and here I need to add 14 and 8, which is 22. This is the value of x in this equation. Now we will try the second. 2y is equals to 30. I need to isolate y. But I need to isolate the variable, whatever it is. In the first question it was x, in the second question it is y. So I need to isolate y. What 2 is doing with this? 2 is multiplying my variable, right? And I need to get rid of this 2 to isolate y. What is the opposite function of multiplication? Division. So I divide this side, left side, by 2. What I did at the left side of the equation, I have to do the same on the right side. So I have to divide by 2 here as well. Here I get advantage that I cancel that to isolate my y. And here I need to divide. So my 30 divided by 2 get me to 15. So my answer is 15. Next question. Again, same thing. I will repeat the steps. What is the first step? I need to isolate x. To isolate x, what is with x? Plus 7. I need to get rid of plus 7. What is opposite of plus 7? Minus 7. But what I do on the left hand side of the equation, I have to do the same at the right side of the equation. So I have to minus 7 on the, so minus 7 on the right side, left side, minus 7 on the right side. Here I get advantage to cancel it to isolate my x, and I have 12 minus 7, which is 5. So 5 is my answer. Hope you understand the solution, right? I will revise steps in each question so that you have no ambiguity, right? You have clear concept of what we have to do. 4y plus 6 is equals to 17. Now in this question we have y as a variable, but we are seeing that on left side is not only one function, but there are two numbers which I need to get rid of. One is this. So first I need to get rid of 6, right? As we did in this question. So same way, but I will keep my 4y as it is. So plus 6 minus 6 is equals to 17 minus 6, right? This is exactly same what we did here, x plus 7, right? Or here we did the same, x minus 8, right? So we get rid of 6 now, and my equation reduced to 4y is equals to 17 minus 6, which is 17 minus 6 is 11, right? So 11. And now the second step comes in. What is this question is now exactly same as my example 2, because now 4 is being multiplied by y and I need to get rid of it. So 4 divided by 4 but I did division at the left hand side, so I have to divide at the right hand side as well, right? So I did that, right side. So now this 4 and 4 cancel, and y is equals to 11 over 4 is my answer. 11 over 4 can be written as in a compound fraction or whole number fraction. So what we have is 4 times 2 is 8, 3 over 4, right? 2 whole and a 3 by 4. You can write like this as well. So now we go to the next example, which is 3y minus 4 is equals to 14. It's exactly same as the previous example. So now first what I need to get rid of? Minus 4. How? By opposite sign. So always opposite sign get rid of the function, right? So minus 4 plus 4, it is okay, it's cancels, right, on the left hand side. But if I do something extra at the left hand side, I have to do the same thing at the right side. So plus 4, both sides of the equation. On the left hand side, you get rid of 4, and now your equation reduced to 3y is equals to 18. 14 plus 4 is 18. Now I have 3y is equals to 18, and now is exactly same as example 2, right? So we can see that 3 is being multiplied by y. To get rid of 3, I need to divide both sides of the equation by 3, right? Because what I did at the left side, I have to do the same on the right hand side. So isolating y gives me 3 times 6 is 18. So this is my answer, right? This was here. So hope you understand it. I will repeat now the next 2 questions with the same method or methodology, but you need to pay attention, right? So now we will do next question. Please pay attention. So k divided by 7 is equals to 5 times 3. I can write this equation or as k divided by 7 can be written like this, is equals to 5 times 3 is 15, right? Now the same thing, that I need to isolate my k. K is my variable, right? So I need to isolate it. What 7 is doing with k? It's dividing. What is opposite function of division? Multiplication. Very good. So I need to multiply by 7, but both sides of the equation, right? Both sides of the equation. So 7 cancel, isolating my k. Now I have 15 times 7. 15 times 7 is 105, right? So this is my answer. So in each case, we have to find out the value of the variable, what the variable is, right? Now we have the last question, and go over it slowly so that you need to understand it. But when you do all of this exercise, you will be okay. Now we have to first expand the bracket. Expand the bracket means I need to do the same thing which we did like a commutative property of multiplication, like this. So 2 times 3 is 6, right? 2 times 3 is 6, so I will say 6x, and 2 times 2 is 4, so plus 4. This is my now new equation, right? I did something like I expand it by 2, right? 2 is being multiplied by 3x and then 2. Now in this case, my variable is on the right side. So I can keep it on right side, no problem. Mostly it is, we prefer to take it on left side, but you should learn that if it is on the right side, you keep it on right side and we can solve the question. Now I have to get rid of this 4 from this side. So you will say 6x plus 4 minus 4. So if you do something over there, you have to do the same thing on the other side of the equation. So minus 4 this side, minus 4 this side. Here you took advantage, this get cancelled, and you are left with 6x is equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. Now what 6 is doing with x? 6 is multiplying x, right? So how to get rid of 6? By dividing by 6. So if you do something here, you have to do on the same other side of the equation as well. Here it cancels, x is equals to, and here also it cancels. So x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 is your answer in this case. So hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon button to receive another video. Thank you for watching.